This video I will explain the difference between AI, machine learning and deep learning. AI is the big idea, making machines act smart like humans. Machine learning is a subset of AI where machines learn from the data. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning using neural networks to handle very complex data. AI make machines to think and act intelligently. Machine learning help machine improve from experience. Deep learning enable machines to understand images, voice, and complex patterns. AI can use rules, logic, or learning. Machine learning learns pattern from data and examples. Deep learning uses layers of neural networks to learn. Neural network is like a brain. AI can work with less data if rule based. Machine learning needs moderate data to learn patterns. Deep learning needs huge amounts of data and powerful computers. Real world examples of AI are chess playing computers, chatbots. Real world examples of machine learnings are email spam filter, product recommendations. Real world examples of deep learnings are face recognition, Siri or Alexa voice assistants, self driving cars. Scope of AI is the broadcast field. Scope of machine learning is the branch inside the AI. The scope of deep learning is a branch inside the machine learning. Quick way to remember. AI is the big umbrella, make machine smart. Machine learning is the approach, the machines learn from the data. Deep learning is the advanced technique, the machine uses deep neural networks to handle very complex tasks.